In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Hollywood Bet account online. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head on over to hollywoodbets.net. And then once we're here, we want to go ahead and click on the little chat bar on the bottom of the page here. What they do, they tend to make this very hard to delete your account. So basically, we need to click on the contact us button here, and then we need to go ahead and we've got a few different options to cancel. So we can give this number a phone call and say you'd like to delete your account and just go through the process. They will ask for your phone number, username, email, etc. Then once they got that, they'll go ahead and delete your account. But if you don't want to call them on the phone, what we can do is grab their email address here, and now just open up any email client and just put their email address in here. And now for the subject, you want to write something along the lines, request to close my Hollywood Bet account. Then in the text field, you want to write something similar to this. So, hi Hollywood Bets support team, I hope you're well. I'd like to request the closure of my Hollywood Bets account. Please permanently close my account associated with the following details. So in here, this is just the draft you can copy and kind of change it to your liking. So basically, you just need to put in your full name, your registered phone number, your registered email address, and also your ID passport number if required, and then say kindly confirm once the account has been successfully closed. If you need any additional information to process this request, please let me know. Thank you for your assistance, kind regards, and then just hit send, and then basically wait 24 to 48 hours for Hollywood Bet's support team to get back to you in assisting closing your account.